Jack drove all the way to Devon, 4 hours there, and back, without breaking down in this. He said it went literally no problem at all. Well, we've just turned up at the paint shop. We'll see how the Scania's getting on.
30 old river, must you keep rolling, flowing into the night. People so busy, make me feel dizzy, taxi lights shine so bright. But I don't need no friend, as long as I gaze on Waterloo sunset, I am in paradise. Every day I look at the world from my window, but chilly, chilly is the evening time. Waterloo sunset time. Waterloo sunset time. Waterloo Station every Friday night. But I am so lazy, don't want to wander, I stay at home at night. But I don't feel afraid, as long as I gaze on Waterloo sunset, I am in paradise. Every day I look at the world from my window, but chilly, chilly is the evening time. Waterloo sunset's fine. Waterloo sunset's fine. Millions of people swarming like flies round Waterloo underground. But Terry and Julie cross over the river.
Now it's time to head back to the workshop and continue with the engine that I broke the other day. Can I explain what you're doing?
Making a thing. That's brake cleaner.
Oh.
No,
You're trying to do that bit?
why are you not so incapable of sharpening drill bits?
Hang on, you just, if you do...
Poisonous dwarf.
Safety, Adam, safety.
Oh.
Oh. What?
See, it says it's not in hammer mode, but
But it's always in hammer. To be fair, that has had a bit of hammer in that drill. We've got a new casting, which you can't see because this phone will not focus. There we go. Got a new casting. And we're just swapping bits and pieces over to make it original again. But we've got to pull this gear out of here, so we're just making a puller system so we can pull this off the shaft, take it to bits, to put it on the new bit, and then put back on the engine.
Yes, look at this.
This looks...
Oh, look at this go.
Is it working?
look, it would help with the gun one, that heap of shit.
Go on, I think she's working. Oh, something happened.
It went.
Oh, it came. Okay, I think it'll come. Oh!
Eat your f***ing words, dwarf.
Right, that's that off. Now, are we out the woods yet? There's a keyway.
Your gun is so shit, I can actually hold it still. That Allcroft one's better.
That should. Aha!
Yes, finally.
Good, good. And then... Oh, it's leaking oil. Then we'll undo them. Well, we'll take that whole cog out.
Yeah, and put that in.
We've got to undo these, which you know I like them because the camera's sunk. I think that might fit it now. Oh, okay. trying to spin it. This isn't going well. No. Go on. Ah! Okay.
It's just that cog, isn't it?
Yeah, that is in fact broken. We want that cog
That cog goes.
in replacement with that one, but which way round?
You just pulled it out. Put it straight in as though you put it out.
Like that?
Yep.
Oh no.
Yes, 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 yes.
I'll hammer it.
No, you don't hammer cogs together.
Do you know? Ooh!
Yeah.
That's in! I reckon it's going to work. Oh, it's just gone tight. Adam, why has it gone tight?
Probably a bit of shit in the cog.
Careful.
I reckon it'll work just as well as it did before you came out.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's as loose as Jack's mum.
Oh, yes. Rusty flows.
Children watch this channel. Will you come in, Ted? Oh, Jenny. Oh, Vicky. Oh, that's a good boy. Don't like that. Jack went on eBay the other day and bought a parts washer for £200. But anyway, let's see how good it is. Energizer, ready to go. These are the new parts for the Abbot engine that we broke. So hopefully we can clean these up, put all the parts together nice, and that should fix that engine.
You got a bit of rag, dry that off.
Coming up like brand new.
Yeah. There's a scraper on that wall. Oh, it's alright, might have it. Just gotta get a scraper off the tool wall.
Just give it a round all that shit.
Right, that's the baked on shit.
Smells funky. Right, we've got the replacement casing back on. All looking good. All the original cogs back in. I've got to put the alternator plate back on without the prop shaft. If only we'd have took that off before we started it, none of this would have happened. So I've got to fit that. That cog goes on the back, then the back plate on, 2 rings round. Hydraulic pump goes on there. I'll get that clean. That works the fans. And then quick check, clean up, start up, should be fine. Ready to go back in. Stinks, doesn't it, that thing?
Yeah.
So maybe I might take that comes back on our water. A bit of a valet. This is bound to leak, isn't it, if I don't do this? Just everything that has to be in this sodding way like that. All those jobs when you need 20 pairs of hands.
I'd offer to help while I'm filming.
I mean, if we didn't have to... You can look at that pipe being in the sodding way. If we didn't have to try and line it on splines, it wouldn't be quite as bad, would it? But... bloody thing. I just want to get this out of Jack's way. Trying to prep the FV4005 for the big primer. And I'm now in his way. have smacked myself in the face. That's the thing I hate the most. It's all lock wired. So when you're wearing gloves, slightest thing you catch it on, you rip your glove, and then it fills up with oil, and it's doing the exact opposite to what you're trying to do. I hate getting oil on my hands. Now this looks really simple, doesn't it? But must have gone like that. So we're now back to where we were before we started the engine. Everything's all back on. I've just got to top the hydraulic oil tank up again, seeing as we lost a bit, and check the engine oil, and that should be okay. We'll start it again, but obviously without the prop shaft on. That's the key thing there. People have been wondering where Jack has been. He has been on holiday. He went all the way to Devon in the Bentley, drove all the way there without breaking down, drove all the way back without breaking down. So here he is, and we are how far away from getting ready for...
Well, every time we do a video, we say 2 or 3 days, don't we, basically?
I think...
For like the last 3 videos, I think. So we're 2 or 3 days away. No, but we're more or less ready. I've got a little bit of needle gun and a bit more spraying down to do. Just a tiny little bit at the bottom.
I'll turn that sprocket round, and you've missed a bit.
Oh, I've missed a bit as well. Yeah, cheers for pointing that out.
Yeah, you've probably done the same on the sprocket as well.
But what we're actually waiting for is some plastic to put up on the nice white walls so that we don't get overspray all over them.
Which I have ordered. Be here tomorrow morning.
There you go.
At 8 o'clock. I will still be in bed.
Yeah.
And I've also brought some magnets so we can magnetise it to the wall. What's up?
That was an investment of rag. Just
Oh no.
Yeah, well, anyway, back to what we were saying. Yeah, we're going to magnetise the plastic up, and then once we've done that, we've got a few bits to cut off, and then we can paint. So hopefully any day now, we'll be painting.
End of the
like
week.
3 or 4 more videos, probably.
End of the week. By the end of this weekend, hopefully.
Yeah, all right.
It'll be in colour.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
We don't know what colour, but it'll be in
red oxide.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think...
Specific one we asked not for.
Yeah, we said whatever we want
yeah.
grey primer because red oxide's horrendous and it gets everywhere. Yeah. Red oxide's turned up, so that's great.
Yeah, my favourite.
Right. Yeah, I'll put the back plate on the pump.
Yeah.
And I'll put that tack outside, ready for wash. And we can run it up outside because we know it runs now.
Yeah.
And it's time for a cup of tea. See you later. Right, we've got it outside. We'll give it a good old washing off. And then I suppose at the same time, I can wash all this out and it's ready to go back in.